check it out, it's the Notorious B.I.G. Chillin', you know what I mean?
I love for them niggas, period. It's from being in the game. I mean, I grew up to that shit. My mom got me a radio for Christmas. She got me a Fat Boys tape and a Run DMC tape. That's all I had. Anything we could do to get the crowd crazy, anything we could do, we just do it. It wasn't such a big nigga. I'd have been jumping in the crowd too. But I ain't really with that extracurricular shit.
Gotta stay on the positive vibe. All my people's gotta stay on the positive vibe. Negativity just brings failure, you know? We ain't trying to fail in this game, we trying to succeed.
A nigga never been as broke as me. I like that. When I was young, I had 2 pair of leads. Besides the pinstripes and the gray. The one I wore on Mondays and Wednesdays. While niggas flirt, I'm sewing tigers on my shirt and alligators. They want to see the inside, I see you later. Here come the drama. Oh, that's that nigga with the fake. Wow! Why you punch me in my face? Stay in your place, play your position. Here come my intuition. Go in this nigga pocket, rob him while his friends watch it. That hoes clock it. Here comes respect. His crew's your crew, or they might be next. Look at they man eye, big man they never try, so we roll with them, and stole with them. I mean loyalty. Niggas bought me milks at lunch, the milks with chocolate, the cookies, butter crunch, butter crunch, butter crunch, butter crunch, butter crunch, butter crunch, butter crunch. My crew was lame. I had enough heart for most of them, long as I got stuff for most of them solved. Even when I was wrong, I got my point across. They depicted me the boss. Of course, my orange box color make the world go round. Plus I'm fucking bitches ain't my homegirls now. Start stacking, dabbled in crack, gun packing. Nickname Medina, made the scenes, took my leaders. Gym class to in-glass, pass off for global. The only nigga with a mobile. Can't you see like total? Getting larger in waist and taste. Ain't no telling where this felon is heading. Just in case, keep a shell at the tip of your melon. Clear the space. Your brain was a terrible thing to waste. Your brain was a terrible thing to waste. Realizing to master enterprise, and I ain't have to be in school by 10. I then began to encounter with my counterpart to how to burn the block apart. Break it down into sections, drugs by these selections. Some use pipes, others use injections. Syringe sold separately, Frank the deputy quick to grab my Smith & Wesson like my dick was missing. To protect my position, my corner, my layer. While we out here, say the hustler's prayer. If the game shakes me or breaks me, I hope it makes me a better man. Take a better stand.